students, today we're going to be learning about place value of two-digit numbers, up to tens and including ones. So these are all the numbers, basically between 10 and 99, because we're not doing 3 places yet with hundreds. We're definitely not doing 4 places with thousands yet. But when you get older, you will do thousands and hundreds. This year, we're going to be really focused in on tens and ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my screen down so it just shows tens and ones today. That's much better. So what I have on my screen for you is I have base 10 blocks, okay? These are ones, these are tens, these are hundreds and thousands. So I won't be using these, okay? I'll just be using base 10 blocks and our ones blocks, okay? Now, if you look here, how many are on that block? Let's count it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 blocks on this one line of blocks. So when we see that, we can just say 10. We're going to be doing 2 things today. One is I'm going to be pulling over tens and ones so we can count and figure out what the number is. But then also I'm going to write a number, and we're going to have to figure out how many base 10 blocks it takes in both the tens and the ones place value chart. Okay, so let's try this and get started. So the first one, I'm going to bring over 3 base 10 blocks. And you guys, I know, have been working on skip counting. So these are all count for 10, right? This is 10, this is 10, and this is 10. So let's count by tens to figure out how much this is worth. Ready? 10, 20, 30. 30 blocks all together, because remember there's 10 here, and 10 here. So I'm going to write, I'm going to get my little pencil, and I'm going to write 3 here. And how many ones do I have? I have none, right? I have none so far. Ooh, that's a terrible 0. I'm trying to write a 0, but there we go. There's none over here, so I'm going to put a 0. So there are 30 blocks all together. Now, what if I do this? I'm going to erase my terrible 0. Taking a moment. There we go. And I'm going to now grab a couple ones. Let's see. 2. Couple. Couple means 2. All right, now I'm going to grab my pencil again. How many ones do I have? 2. Right, I have 2. So now I have 3 10 blocks, so we know that that's 30, right? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. We have 32 blocks in all. Good job. Let's do another one. There we go. Got my clean slate. So I'm going to grab some base 10 blocks. This is a really cool website. I'll share with you the name of it. That way you can practice this at home too. Okay? And I'm going to grab some ones. Okay. How many 10 blocks do I have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? I have 5, but we're counting by tens. Remember, because this is the tens place. We got to count by tens in this area. So let's do it. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Good job. So I'm going to write a 5 here for 50 because there's 5 tens. Right? I've got 50. I'm going to go ahead and put 50, but then we're just going to do a little bit of switch-o, change-o, okay? So 50 10 blocks all together. But wait, I've got 4, so I'm not quite there yet, right? So 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So I don't just have 0, right? I have 4. So what number does that make? 54. 54. All right, let's do another one. Or you could say it's 50 plus 4. You could say that. Let's do another one. moment, right? All right, so now I've got how many 10s? Let's count by 10. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I have 70. All right? 70. Do I have any over here? No, I do not. Whoa! I do not. That's a crazy. I can't make zeros apparently with this pencil. Okay, let's add some ones though this time. We're gonna change our answer a little bit. So far I've got 70, but now I'm adding some ones, right? Okay. How many 1 blocks do I have? So now I need to change my answer. Okay. How many 1 blocks? Let's count them. Ready? 1. Oh, let me grab my pencil again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 1s. So I have 7 10s. That makes 70, right? We know that. But now I've got 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. 76, right? 7 10s, 6 1s. So it's almost like writing it like this. 70, kind of like what I said with 50 and 4. 70 plus, right, 6. It's the same thing. Because I got I got 7 10s, or 70, and I have 6 1s, so that makes 76. Okay? Let's do a couple more. Gotta get erased there. There we go. I do one that's a little. Sometimes these are harder. Sometimes when you've only got 1 10, students get a little confused. So we're gonna talk about it. All right. How many 10 blocks do I have? 1. Yeah, I only see 1. What does that number represent? So if we count by 10s, ready? 10. 10. That's it. So what does 10 look like, right? 10 has a 1 first, so that's what goes here. But what number goes here? Do I put a 0? Do I have 0 1s? No, I have 3 1s, so let's count. We've got 10, ready? Then we switch to 1s. 11, 12, 13. So 3 goes here to make 13. All right, let's double check. If we're not sure, remember, you can count the 1s in the 10s block, but this just represents 10, so you can just skip count by 10s, and that makes life a lot easier. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? 1 represents 1 10, and 3 represents 3 1s, because it's in this column. Remember, this is our 1s column, right? 1s, and this is our 10s, right? T for 10s, O for 1s. All right. Let's do one more, and then we're going to switch it up. All right, here we go. One more. It's going to take me a moment. All right. So now, remember, 10s column, these are each worth 10. How many do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that mean I have 4 here? No, remember, because this is the 10, so let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. That means I have 40 something, right? I haven't counted my 1s yet, so I have 40 and then more. All right, let's count our 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 1s. So what number does that make, everybody? How do I say this number? 49, right. Remember, it's like having 40 over here plus 9. 40 plus 9 equals 49. Sorry for my little tail there. All right, now we're going to do this in reverse. What that means is I'm going to write a number down here, and I want you to think about how many blocks I need to bring over. So the first number I'm going to do is 27. It's hard to write a 7. I hope you guys are getting a kick out of the fact that I can't write these numbers very well. All right, so 27. All right, in the number 20, how many 10s do I have? In 27, how many 10s do I have? Or in 20, how many 10s do I have? So how many base 10 blocks should I bring over? Ready? 10, 20. Do I need to bring over any more? No, 2. I have 2, right? 2, 10, 20. That means 20, because it's in the tens place. Now, how many 1s do I need to bring over? What number's in the 1s place? 7, right. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Good job. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. Let's do 60. Just 60. All right. Now, how many 10 blocks do I need to bring over? All right, let's try it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. How many blocks did I bring over? 6, right, because they each stand for 10, so that's 60. How many 1s do I need? Should I bring over some? No, I shouldn't, right? Because none. 0. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Does that match this number? Yes, it does. So we can just stop there. One more. All right. Now, oh, what am I doing? Silly me. All right, now I'm going to do 58. 58. So how many 10 blocks do I need to bring over? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Right? If I bring over any more, that'll be 60. And I don't want to do that because I'm staying in 50 land. Now, how many 1s do I need to bring over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 50 blocks, right? Because I've got 5 10s plus I've got 8 1s, which makes 58 altogether. All right? So, you can do this too and play with this by going to didax.com/apps/base-10-blocks/. I know that's a lot, but maybe we can include that link for you so you can access this yourself. And you can practice with different numbers. Anything from 10 to 99, remember, right? 2-digit numbers, numbers that have 2 place value, or a place value of 10s and 1s, okay? Thank you so much for listening.